If you want to stay young in body, mind, and attitude, then this is the video for you.
Hi friends, it's Bob and Fran, 80 plus years young, and we're all about living a vibrant and healthy life. We receive loads of friendly emails and comments every day, and recently one came in from Renee in Florida. She asked a question that we get often. What are the top things we do to stay young and full of vitality?
So each of us listed 5 things, and let's share them right now. The last one, by the way, is my very favorite. So, Fran, what would be number 1?
We take care of each other. We do things to make us happy, feel good, be romantic, and add excitement to our day. We look at each day as a gift, so we try to make every minute count.
The second thing we do is that we eat healthy for vitality and a strong immune system. Ours is a whole food, plant-based lifestyle. We eat no food that has a mother. This eating regimen has kept us illness-free. Let me repeat, illness-free for probably the last 16 years since we went on this diet, and our weight is under control, and we eat as much as we want.
Number 3, we exercise every day. Walking, hiking, stretching, Tai Chi, and especially lots of Qigong to boost our energy and minimize stress.
Another thing that we do is that we try to be as mindful as possible, being here and now, being in the moment. This means not being angry or upset about something in the past or worrying about something that may happen in the future. Daily meditation for us helps to accomplish this.
Number 5, we have learned to accept whatever comes into our lives and deal with it as best as we can.
Yeah.
We go with the flow, knowing that both the good and the bad times don't last.
The next one is that we choose to have a positive outlook on everything, and we make lemonade from lemons along the way.
Number 7, we try to eliminate complaining about things and criticizing the action of others.
Number 8 would be that we love and enjoy our family and friends, and we intentionally stay away from negative or toxic people.
Number 9, we are always open to new relationships, adventures, and ideas.
And now, finally, the last one, and our favorite, we have discovered our purpose in life, and we act on it every day. Our purpose is to serve other people. We do this through volunteering and one-on-one support as well. And our YouTube channel has helped so many people worldwide. They benefit and we benefit.
A lot more of our personal healthy lifestyle tips are available in our best-selling book, 101 Ways to Be Young at Any Age. You can see the link in the description below.
This may be a good video to share with others. So let us know your thought on what we've discussed down in the comments section, and you would be helping us greatly if you liked this video. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, we hope you do, and we hope you get press the notification bell to be alerted to our newest videos.
Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.